As part of Governor Monday Okpebholo plan to make better impact for im first 100 days for office, im dey reconstruct and renovate structure for 100 schools for Edo State. Dis one na part of im effort to improve education for the state. Chairmo for Edo State Universal Basic Education Board Subeb Onome Goodness Bridge yarn dis one when she visit some schools. She carry join body for the visit Madam Angela Okpame wey be board member wey represent Edo South. Dem visit Ebo Primary School for Iyekogba, Oreogene Primary School for Oredo Local Government Area, and Evareke Junior Secondary School, Usen Junior Secondary School, and Ikekugbo Primary School for Ego Local Government Area. Madam Bridge con tok say security na one big matter dem need to look well. Say fencing na part of the security arrangement, so dem go make sure say these schools get fences and security posts, so if anybody wan enter the compound, na only through the security post dem go pass. She con tok say dem go also need to educate the communities make dem fit look out for these properties. Say if dem spoil, na the children go suffer. Say dem need to talk to the people, community, teachers and the children make dem help dem dey watch out and report anything wey no right. Madam Bridge con still tok say all the work for renovation and reconstruction go finish within 1 week to 3 weeks. Say dem don visit 5 schools and dem get 100 projects wey dey happen for the state. Say dem go also go Edo Central and Edo North this week. She come also yarn say the work go include new furnitures like chairs and tables, and say sake of say you no fit put new furniture for old house, that na why the building need to dey okay before you bring new furniture. She con tok say dem observe say for many of the schools when she visit, some pikins dem no get chairs and some of dem sit down for ground, and some schools get plenty pikin like 200 dey for inside one classroom. She con continue say
the work that is going on well, and within the next 2 weeks the construction renovation should be completed. Then for the issues on vandalization are things that we need to look into so we can have proper security for our renovations and our properties. So I think that's one major issue that we need to look into, and we also have to sensitize the community so that they can put an eye on these properties, because the children are the ones that will really suffer if this vandalization continues and theft. So we need to sensitize the community and everybody involved, the teachers and even the students, so that if they see anything, they can say something. Yes, well, fences are part of security consciousness. So we're also going to look into making sure that these schools have fences and they have a security post, so you can't just come into the school except you are going through the right source or the right entrance into the school. So that should also be put into consideration, which the governor has already started. Most of the construction already going on. Fencing is part of what he's looking into, which is the security part of it. We did 5 today. We have over 100 currently going on. So, all across Edo State. Just today we went to 5, and we are going to Edo Central and Edo North within the week. The construction and the renovation includes furnishing. So the chairs and the tables are already, you can't put a new wine in an old wineskin. So you can't get new chairs and put them in a dilapidated buildings. So we need the buildings to be good, okay, then those furnitures can get in. And since we're also talking about security and keeping them safe, you can't just put them in a place that they don't have doors or windows. So now that the windows and the doors are already in place, then the furnishing or different contractors and different levels or stages of building. So some people are going to be done in a week. Some, like this one here, is going to be done in less than a week. Then there are some 2 weeks, maximum 3 weeks. Yes, that's how it is. When you already have a a partially good building, you just need to do renovation. Then, but when there is nothing there and we need more facility, then we have to start new construction. So
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.